Survive the Traveler with Becky the Trekkie here. We're at Pirates Cove on the MSC Seascape. We're going to show you some of the slides, things to do in the cove, and the adventure course up top there. So we'll check out some slides. I'll show you the big plunge bucket down over there, but we can kind of peek over with a little bit at a distance, and you can kind of see they got the kids pool down there. They got the pirate ship. The big bucket is splashing down on the kiddos right there, and we're heading up those stairs. And they have several slides, so you'll have to stick with us if you want to see all the slides. There are 2 on each side up top and 2 in the middle, and we're getting ready to go down one here in just a minute. Here's the first slide. Oh no, we're sticking. There we go. It's a low flow. Oh goodness. Oh, there it is. My swim shoes were slowing us way down. I'm holding my feet up now. Now we're moving. Woo! That's it. It's a little brisk, but not too bad. All right. See you for slide 2. We'll see Becky should be coming down here. That was not a speed slide right there. Did you stick?
No.
Oh, I got stuck. I was like not going. I'm like, oh man, I'm not going anywhere. So. Oh, we're good. Go. Woo! Oh, she's a mover. Oh yeah. Wow. That was a good one. Where's Becky? Oh, we were way faster on that one. I flew like the wind on that. That was awesome. When the ship listed to the right, I was coming around that turn and it just threw me like a speed demon. Awesome. Those speed rides are great. Look how high up we were. That's cool. All right, that's 2. Thank you. Up we go. This is so odd with the foot traffic, and you got this huge raft, but we'll make it. It should be a straight shot once we get up there. Should be right on the ride. It's nicely themed though. They did a great job with the theming. And really, it's not too long a line. The longest line that we've had was just waiting to get this tube. So now that we got the old double tube, should be good to go. Okay, back up to deck 22. And we'll see in just a few when we get on the slide. Okay, we're up next. Oh, we're going to play some techno while we're going, huh? Hop in, Becky.
Oh my God, I'm not in. Ah!
Hop in, get your butt in and off the ground, then put your feet up. You all good? Are you all good, Becky? Are you off the bottom, so your butt's not sitting on the slide?
Yeah.
Okay, you're in the air?
Yeah.
All right. As soon as we're green, we're going. As soon as we're green, we're going. All right, so this is the speed slide. We're in the double boat. Becky's actually in the back because I'm recording up front. And we'll see how fast it is. Everybody's screaming and they really come out full blast at the bottom, so this should be a great little ride. And we should be launching off. We're just waiting right here. This should turn to a countdown like 3, 2, 1, and then we'll go. and that should be any second. So 3, 2, 1, go. Push, push. Feet up. Oh. Woo! Oh man, it's like being in space. It's so dark in here. Oh, what is going on? Woo! Yeah, how about that? Well, that was fun. That was like a space ride. It really is like outer space. There you go. Yeah, you mind if we get out so the next one can go? Thank you. And it's right up top, so we can look down just real quick so you can see everything. They got the big splashdown bucket right here. It's really nicely themed. They got the pirate theming going on. It's like an old pirate ship. Adventure guidelines are right there. And we're just going to give it a quick go down the old ramp. And we're way up on, I think this is actually deck 21 up here. And got some youngsters coming up across. We'll let them get across and then we'll make our pass. So they do have basketball up here in the opposite side there, and you can play that. There's the line for the big slides, and you can see it's like 3 or 4 stories there, so you can do the little or smaller one just directly ahead of us, and then the big 2 racing slides are up there to the right, and then the big tube slides off to the left, and they have that one more blue one. So they got out of there, and then we'll just come on across. So it's got a little bit of a touch and go steps. If you try to do this without touching the sides, it really is a lot more intense. Got my hands up. I'm trying not to touch anything, and it's like a balancing act. Oh wow, that really ramps up the intensity. So if you want to make that a little bit more adventurous on the adventure trail, try to do it without touching. Let's see how Becky does. Try to go no hands. There she is, making her way in, looking good. This one's just a little rope course. Right here, same thing. Oh, there's nothing in the bottom. I got those swim shoes on. Really kind of makes it interesting. What you do feel like you're on a pirate ship here with all this old-fashioned rope. And one more. There we go. Okay, we're right through it. So just a little fun adventure course. Basically, it's one for everybody. You've got that beautiful kraken octopus there. Or giant squid, whichever the case may be, reaching up to the top. And yeah, so what did you think of Pirates Cove?
That was like fun. I liked the slide there. Like in the tunnel, that was fun.
The big tube slide's the only one really with a long line. We came in right here just after lunch, so the crowd's picking up right now. But had a great time on the slides. Really nicely themed, great place for the kids. The adults can be in the same area, have some good fun with them. A lot of people really enjoying that big double ride slide with the family or their significant other or whatever. Highly recommend you stand in line and do that one. It's a great one. And nice little park. We love this ship. We've had a great time so far. This will be part of a bigger video series. So be on the lookout for more videos, and we'll see you all very soon, my fellow travelers.